What's up, YouTube? Got a nice one for you guys to check out today. So client advised us that she had a cat and it urinated right over here in this area and possibly in this area right here. So I always bring a black light with me. That way I can see, because when they say normally, oh, it's only in one area, it's all over the house. Especially here, this one's definitely visible. So she wasn't aware that was there until she started moving furniture. Alright. I already took a moisture meter to this in black light, but I want to show you guys. Right now I'm going to show you guys. So it's contaminated over here. I asked her if it was a male or female cat. Normally males like to go in the corners of rooms or anything, but this was a female, so baseboards. So it's right one over there. Yeah, most of the times clients don't know. This message is for obviously those who are getting in the business. Always bring a black light. Always bring it with you to every job. Because she said they also had a cat here previous to her moving in. So you can see it over here too. Heavily contaminated. Yeah, just bring it with you to every job and check. Because most of the time when they say, oh, I don't have pets, and the prior people who owned the property before could have, so you always want to cover yourself in that situation. Also, moisture meter stick. Yeah, you can see this sucker glue right here. So the ones on the corners, she tried cleaning herself. Another one over here. Yeah, more urine over here. More urine. It's glowing like a stick, glow stick. More behind the door over there. The thing I checked because I didn't see that earlier. Yeah, I took the client for a walkthrough. That way she can see. This right here is honey. She said she spilled real natural honey, so it's gonna be nice to try to get out. We'll see if we can get that out. No guarantees. The client didn't want to pay for a water clot treatment, just a topical, so we're just gonna pre-spray this. I'm gonna hit it with some OS1, scrub it with the Urine. Carpets have already been vacuumed by my father. Say hi, Pi.
How you doing? Hi.
Then we're gonna boogie. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna apply my treatment down. I already got the other areas. This one's more visible to the eye. So I want to saturate this. There's more here. Yeah, so the client's selling a property, a condo, so she wants to get the carpets done before the new homeowners move in. Yeah, so I just pre-sprayed. I put some pet treatment solution in my inline sprayer along with my regular carpet cleaning solution. What he's doing now is agitating the carpet fibers, working the solution deep into the carpet because she don't want to pay for a water cloud treatment, which is fine. I also told her no guarantees. just trying to sell this house and move, so. Look at all the cat hair still coming. Yeah, I know, cat hair's all coming out. Yeah, a lot of cat hair. There's more in this room too. He still hasn't gotten in here yet. The lighting in here sucks. That's all I got to work with as far as lighting goes. Yeah, it's been working deep in there, even though he's gonna use the Ulrich. Make sure I saturate this a little. Hey, there's more fur in here. So you're aware, in that area right there, you see that? You can see that piss stain from a mile away. Damn, there's cat piss everywhere. Hey, I'm gonna crack open this door a little. Get a little, open the whole damn thing. Get some air up in here. Alright guys, while he's doing that, I'm gonna go finish grabbing some stuff. Hook up my wand and boogie, alright? Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so what I did was I used OS1. First time I'm trying OS1. It says you don't need to use the water cloud method. So I used this in place of Unchained what I normally use. I like to do subsurface treatment, but she don't want to pay for that, so I sprayed some OS1. Apparently you can use this stuff, spray it on, let it sit, mist the top, and extracts the top part of it without actually using the claw method on here. So I've never used it, first time. So far, it killed the cat urine smell in here, so it seems to be working. Probably hit that piece stain with outside later. Put some water down over here. I don't want to extract too much. I want the solution in this thing. That's what the bottle says anyway. That's a rust thing. Yep, this area is discolored big time. That looks better than it did. But it ain't gonna get better than that. I got other things I can use, but if you want some basic cleaning and topical, get over the treatment. So I just finished, unfortunately. I gotta go out through the front door. I hate walking on clean carpets, but I gotta go through that door right there. Yeah, so I mean, this is as good as it's gonna get. Did a topical pet odor treatment. She didn't want to pay for the other process. So, I mean, when you're trying to upsell a service, it's good to let the client know, because they don't know nothing about carpet cleaning. If she was gonna live here or moving in, I'm sure she would have done it. But since she's moving out, she don't care, you know. So, but all right, guys, I'm gonna go out that door, wrap up, get out of here. I got 2 more jobs for the day. All right. Any questions? Hit me up on my YouTube. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Peace.